Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to make add to cart button animation on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's head over in here on our left sidebar and click on apps. Under this app, scroll down until you reach this all recommended app. From in there, scroll down again until you reach Shopify App Store. So alternatively, you can also head over to apps.shopify.com. Now on the search bar right here, search in here for Rumbo. So search in here for a specific Rumbo right here, and you should be able to see this Rumbo Animate Your Store. Click on that, and then in here you can see that they have a free plan available. So click on install right here. And then once you have put on install, it will ask you for permission in order to successfully integrate your application on your Shopify dashboard. So just head over, click on install, and then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the dashboard. So let's just wait for that to finish the loading process. And here you can see the dashboard. So head over and click on this add your first animation. So this will open in here the new tab. And on that new tab, you should just head over and then make sure that you have properly integrated the app embed. So head over to your app embed and then make sure that Rumbo is enabled. After that, click on save right here. And then once you have saved that, it's been saved. So in here, just hover to select an element. So for example, let's head over and click on the actual element for actual product. So we can head over to our product from there. So let's head over to our homepage, click on product, click on the default product right there. And in here, you can see the actual add to cart button if we have that. So if we have those add to cart button, you should be able to see it from there. So we have this in here. Let's click on this add to cart button right here. And then we just need to hover to preview the animation of that. So let's try to hover, and you can actually just add animation, like for example, a fade animation or a slide animation. For me, I'll just choose the slide animation. And then I have added that specific thing on my actual element. I can head over and then just choose which ones I want. And then from in there, you should be able to see the actual animation once you have hovered to this specific one. So let's head over, click on slide, then click on apply. And then once you have applied that specific thing right there, once you have hovered in here, you should be able to see what it looks like. So once you're in here, it will automatically save as well. So let's head over and see a preview of our store with that specific product right there. So here's our store. Let's head over to our product of hat. And on this product right here, we should be able to see this add to cart button. So if you see that it's not the animate, you can head back on your store right here and make sure that this slide has been enabled right there. So this page animation has been changed. So what you can do is you can just do it again in order to make this an animation or loop over just like that. So once you have done that, you can also put in here a delay as well as the speed for that as well. So after that, you save the progress and you should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.